Hello students, today we will start a political science and its first chapter, understanding diversity. On your screen you can see the picture. See, there is a one picture but which is depicted by in a different ways or drawn by different ways. So in this chapter we will learn that people are different from each other in many ways. It means that people are different from each other in many ways, just like they are different in their languages, maybe they are different in their culture, as well as their food style, as well as a culture. These are the differences we can see in our India, but all these differences make our India unique and interesting. Then what do you mean by diversity? Diversity means what? Variety, a range of different things. Diversity means what? Diversity means variety. In Marathi it is called a vividata. See, vividata. Diversity means variety or vividata. So in this lesson we will see how our India our India became unique because of this diversity. In India we can see the different religions, different cultures, different languages, different festivals, as well as there is also a regional diversity. Regional diversity means what? In our India there are the coastlines, there are plains, there are plateaus, as well as there are mountains. These all these things shows the desert is there. All these things shows the regional diversity in India, but this diversity makes our India so beautiful, unique and interesting. See, then on the next picture you can see on the next picture you can see there are two boys. See, there are two boys. One boy is selling newspaper and another boy is purchasing it. See, these two boys are from different backgrounds. Actually this is the best example of the making friends in our lesson. One boy is selling newspaper and other is purchasing it. Both are same age, both are same age, but both are from different backgrounds. The boy who is selling newspaper, his name is Samir, and the another boy who is purchasing it, his name is also a Samir. But these two boys are from different religions. These one is from Muslim religion and another is from Hindu religion. It means what? It means what? Uh, these variety or these differences can't stop our friendship, can't stop our friendship. In our school also, in our classroom also, we have a lot of friends. We make friendship with many boys and the girls. Actually everyone is from the different background, but all these things can't stop our friendship, can't stop our friendship. We mingle with each other, we share our things, we share our tiffins, we share our problems with each other. So diversity is not, we can say, is not create a problem within us. So see on the next page, diversity in India. You can see, let's explain diversity in India. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. But actually, if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in different ways. See, diversity in India. इन मराठी वी कॅन से, भारतामध्ये विविधता आहे, प्रत्येक गोष्टीत विविधता आहे. भारतामध्ये धर्म, जाती, प्रथा किंवा भाषा या प्रादेशिक या सगळ्या गोष्टींमध्ये भारतामध्ये आपल्याला विविधता बघायला मिळते. पण ही विविधताच आपल्या भारताचं ऐक्य, स्ट्रेंथ बनते. ती आपल्याला सेपरेट नाही करत, ती आपल्याला एकत्र आणते, युनाइट करते. सो दो देयर इज डायव्हर्सिटी इन इंडिया, वी आर युनाइट टुगेदर. So see, it means that in India, though there is a diversity, this diversity unite together. See on the next page you can see there is a picture of desert, the dry barren landscape of the mountains, desert of Ladakh. This is actually a desert of Ladakh. So because of the regional differences, we can see there are the different occupations, there are the different food style, living style. We can see Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the east of Jammu and Kashmir. See, so desert is a type of regional variety, regional diversity, we can say. We can see there is a long coastlines are there are long coastlines, there are the mountains, hilly areas, plains are there, plateaus are there. All these features shows the Indian, shows us the regional variety. So on the next page you can see unity in diversity. See, in our India there is a diversity, though there is a unity in us. India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. When the British ruled India, women and men from different culture, religious and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. India's freedom movement had thousands of people of different backgrounds in it. They worked together to decide joint actions. They went to jail together and they found different ways to oppose the British. Interestingly, the British thought they could divide Indians because they were so different and then continue to rule them. But the people showed how they could be different and yet be united in their battle against the British. See, one example of our unity has given here. सी जेव्हा आपल्या भारतावर ब्रिटिशांचं राज्य होतं, ब्रिटिश जेव्हा आपल्या भारतावर राज्य करत होते तेव्हा ब्रिटिशांना असं वाटलं की भारतामध्ये खूप विविधता आहे, खूप डायव्हर्सिटी आहे, व्हरायटी आहे, रिलिजनमध्ये आहे, कल्चरमध्ये आहे, फेस्टिवल्समध्ये आहे. त्यामुळं ब्रिटिशांना असं वाटलं की आपण ह्यांना त्या डायव्हर्सिटीचा उपयोग करून घेऊन आपण भारतावर राज्य करू शकतो असं ह्या ब्रिटिशांना वाटलं. पण त्याच वेळी आपल्या भारतातील लोकांनी काय केलं, ते सगळे लोक एकत्र आले. मग ते स्त्री पुरुष असतील, मग ते वेगवेगळ्या जातीचे पंथाचे लोक असतील, वेगवेगळ्या भाषा असतील, त्यांचे वेगवेगळे धर्म असतील, असं असूनही आपल्या भारत देशातील सगळे जे लोक होते ते सगळे एकत्र आले आपल्या भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून देण्यासाठी. म्हणजे ते एकत्र आले, त्यांनी एकत्र काम केलं, त्यांनी एकत्र संघर्ष केला, त्यांनी एकत्र येऊन ब्रिटिशांना त्याचं उत्तर दिलं. म्हणजेच हे ब्रिटिश आपल्या भारत देशाचं ऐक्य मोडू शकले नाहीत किंवा ते भारतावर जास्त वेळ दडपण आणू शकले नाहीत. म्हणजे सगळे लोक एकत्र आले आणि त्यांनी एकत्र मिळून आपल्या भारत देशाच्या स्वातंत्र्यासाठी संघर्ष केला, त्यांनी फाईट दिली. This then see on your screen there is a song. This song was sung after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar, in which a British general opened fire on a large group of unarmed peaceful people, killing many and wounding even more. See, there is a one song on your screen. Actually, हे जे एक गीत तुम्हाला दिसेल, हे गीत जालियनवाला बाग हत्याकांड जे होतं अमृतसरमध्ये घडलेलं, ब्रिटिश जनरलनी मोकळ्या मैदानावर बसलेल्या लोकांच्यावर बेछूट गोळीबार केलेला होता आणि त्याच्यामध्ये अनेक लोक मारले गेलेले होते, बरेचसे जखमीही झालेले होते. तेव्हा ह्या लोकांसाठी हे गीत गायलं गेलेलं होतं. तेव्हा सुद्धा भारत देशातील लोकांनी, जरी विविधता असेल, जरी ते वेगळ्या धर्माचे असतील, वेगळ्या पंथाचे असतील, वेगळी भाषा असेल, त्यांची वेगळी फेस्टिवल असतील, असं असूनही ते विचारांनी एकत्र आले आणि भारत देशाला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून दिलं. म्हणजे इथं त्यांनी ब्रिटिशांना चोख उत्तर दिलं की ते आमच्या भारतावर जास्त वेळ राज्य करू शकत नाहीत. आम्ही जरी विविध असलो, आमच्यात जरी व्हरायटी असेल, तरी आमच्यामध्ये युनिटी आहे हे आपल्या भारत देशातील लोकांनी दाखवून दिलं. मग त्याच्यामध्ये जैनिझम होता, बुद्धिझम होता, मुस्लिम होते, शीख होते, हिंदू होते, सगळ्या प्रकारचे, सगळ्या धर्माचे लोक होते. देन सी men and women, Hindus, Sikhs and Muslims, rich and poor, had gathered to protest against the British. This song was composed and sung to honor the memory of those brave people. जे जालियनवाला बाग हत्याकांड जो होता, जालियनवाला बाग मॅसॅकर जो होता, तिथे जे लोक धारातीर्थी पडले, ज्यांचं त्यांचं बलिदान झालं, त्या लोकांसाठी हे गीत लिहिलेलं होतं. सी ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. See, so all these things shows that though there is a diversity in India, in every field there is a unity, and this unity gives a strength to our India. Then our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, this song is also written by Rabindranath Tagore. It also shows this song also shows our unity. So in this chapter we can see, though there is a diversity in India, but there is also a unity. So students, now just we have seen the understanding diversity means variety. जसं की मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की भारतामध्ये खूप विविधता आहे, व्हरायटी आहे तरीसुद्धा आपल्या भारतामध्ये ऐक्य आहे हेच आपल्याला ह्या लेसनमधून कळतं. ओके, देन वी विल सी द रिमेन पार्ट टू द रिमेन एक्सप्लेनेशन टू द नेक्स्ट सेशन, नेक्स्ट पार्ट.